In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to tier up from tier 10 to tier 25. If you're new here, my name is Matt. This is Merch On. Take a second, hit that subscribe button below, and we're going to check this tip out real quick. So a lot of times you'll hear people in the community tell you, buy 10 shirts and price them at the lowest possible way. If I do that, that's $13.07. So $13.07 times 10, that's $131.70. I have a better way. Go to PopSocket's Grip. You could price these lower, $11.72. So that's $117.20. So I think that is the easiest way to tier up. And since fourth quarter is coming up, if you're really serious about this, just go ahead and invest the money and buy yourself out of the tier 10. That way you can put up more designs because you'll make that money back in fourth quarter. But if you're new here, hit that subscribe button below, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.